All right, so for a final video for this section, we're going to, of course, save the file, which hopefully you've been doing all along, and we're going to export it. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to go to File, Save As. It doesn't matter what you call it. It's going to, by default, it saves with the TWB extension. So we're going to call it avocado set. And I'll just save that there. And then we're going to export it. So let's say we wanted to share it with someone. What we could do is we could do file, and there's a couple of things we could do. First, if we export it as a PowerPoint, it'll be dead. It'll come out as an image that you could just stick into a slide deck. But we want to export the whole thing with all of the visualizations. So to do that, you would click Export Packaged Workbook, and this will get everything. It saves as TWBX. We click save. And now if you share that, someone, as long as they have the data set, will be able to open it and review all of your visualizations. So that's the last video here. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to GBFI at wpunj.edu or ping us on our live chat.